Come down here and we'll splash water on your...
So it was a pretty hot day, and my bike had a lot of mud caked up in it, so it was starting to get really hot. So we took it down here and washed it off.
Lots of frogs. You're gonna crack my engine block. It's like a steam bath.
Hmm?
Said it's like a steam bath.
And it brings up that topic. Does water crack your engine block? Well, if you can see by this video, I don't think so.
Here, let me put the kickstand down so I can help.
Is it gonna stay?
Yeah.
Take your gloves off and do the other side.
Lots of froggies in there.
But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and subscribe. If you're interested in gaming, check out my brother's channel and subscribe. If you're not interested in subscribing, just drop him a comment. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. God bless.
We're playing in the water. Is that good?
Should be. Oh. All right.
Now my hand's wet.
Yep.
Gotta keep her cooler though.
Yeah, until we get through some more mud.
Yeah, well, better than nothing, right?
Oh, yeah.
Is that cleaned off?
Yeah. That's cleaned off?
Looks like it is.
Okay, good.
All right.
No wonder. It's not going to start with the kickstand down. Whew.